We're going to use Devra AI to do a two-part data analysis. Here we are on a Kaggle dataset. It's for heart disease prediction. This is my project directory where I do all of my Kaggle data analyses. I've already downloaded the heart disease data here. So let's open Devra. In the Kaggle project that I've set up, add a task. Create a basic analysis of the heart disease data. So create and start and see what happens. So the idea here is that the first analysis is going to be basic, and then we will use that analysis to then get an idea for what our second analysis is going to be. So it's got a proposal. Let's say, yes, that plan looks good. It has a placeholder notebook now. I want to see that placeholder notebook pop up here. Now it's got our full notebook that it just created. And let's say, yes, let's create that file. And let's run it and see what happens. All right, here's the notebook it's come up with. Heart disease data analysis. It's loading in our libraries and the data set and displays the first few rows of it, does some basic data cleaning. Then it does an EDA. Here's some histograms of the numeric columns. Finally, a correlation heat map. And this is where we start getting into some of the good stuff, where this basic analysis can give us an idea of the next steps we want to take. And so we look at this correlation heat map and we see that of the different variables, there's a relatively strong correlation between looks like age, cholesterol, and then heart disease. So that could be valuable in terms of like isolating variables for the next step. And then some basic analysis, prevalence. But so this is a solid first step. We didn't have to do any coding. We just put in the data and Devra went through the data and figured out a basic analysis. And this is a great starting point for us to then do a secondary analysis, which we'll do in part 2 of this.